Hello and welcome to the 5th episode of Super Cat Tales PAWS. Today we are going through the game again. And yeah, you may have noticed I have one extra bell. That is because I got it because of how simple and easy it was. It really was not that difficult. So yeah, hopefully it will not change much. I mean, if it will, then most likely it's just going to make it easier to progress and stuff. So yeah, let's just continue. There's not much to talk about. I did do the daily quests before starting the recording. Yeah, I remember this from the previous game, and also because I did like the first part of this level like one time because of the recording messing me up, but like nothing crazy or anything. So I mean, I think we are going to be fine this time. Oh hey, don't think you can hide that from me in that easy of a spot. Anything up here? Just some coins. Coins are good. And let's continue. Yep, seems easy enough. Oh wait, it's auto-scrolling, I just noticed now. Hopefully nothing bad happens if we don't go fast enough. Ouch. Yeah, I will admit that was pretty bad. I do not plan on editing it out though, because you deserve to see how bad I am at the game. I'm going to be honest with you. Oh yeah, right, this game doesn't let you go faster than the scroller. Which I think most games would do that, but like it is still pretty annoying. And also I just now noticed that is quicksand, which is kind of, it's probably going to be a problem soon, but I mean, it's whatever. No real reason to care so far. Now let's just continue. Is it just me or was that easier than before? Maybe it was just because of me not being dumb, but yeah. Maybe we need one of these. Maybe it's something else. Not entirely sure. Or maybe we were supposed to be on the twist from the beginning, but like, it's whatever. I don't really care that much. Oh hey, crabs. Seriously. Hopefully that doesn't happen too often. There we go. Oh hey, it's this level layout. I remember that this was a scene. There we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. Okay, wait. What if I... Nothing? Okay then. Oh, wait a second. I can already see an idea for a secret. But I mean, let's be real. If that is a secret, then I'm not going to do it that much because it's just going to be a long secret. I mean, this seems to be a relatively long section of the level. Nothing here, seriously. Alright, let's just go through the door. anything over here. Not particularly, it seems. Bruh. Okay, well, it still seems easier than going through the top. Then again, there might be something important up here, so I'm just going to check. Does not seem like it. It may not be a secret, but it still seems easier to do like this. Yep. Or maybe you're probably supposed to do like that. But I thought about like going through the top of the thing with the ropes and stuff. Anyways, let's see what these fucking Greek pillars are about. The temple ruins. Okay, seems lore intensive. Ooh, frog, cool. And yes, we can kill it. Aha! That's fucked. Okay, so yeah, there was a bug with the software that I used to record. Again, I really do not know why. Like, there doesn't seem to be that much lag, and there also doesn't really seem to be that much going on. Really, also like. Well, there's been weird things happening, like there's 2 different games now that are lagging for literally no reason, that just started lagging for like out of nowhere after an update. So like, yeah, and I did not even download anything off of a shady website or anything like that. So like, I'm really confused, but yeah, let's just keep going, right? Let's just. At least you did not miss much. I caught on pretty early onto the level, I'd say. So yeah. Actually, now that I think about it, things are kind of laggy, but also not really, I'd say. So, let's just hope that nothing happens this time, because I'm really liking the game so far. So, yeah. I actually did not even get past this guy, before realizing of the problem. So, the following part of the level is just as new for me as it is for you. Oh hey, it's big guy. Guess I will start calling that the big rock guy that helps with secrets, I guess. Big guy. I don't know, it's just. I mean, why should you care? Or I care? I don't know. But I mean, these guys are just chilling, so might as well give them a name, even if it's just bigger guy. So yeah. Wonder if there's a secret here. Maybe here, this side of the. Yep, I knew it. Or maybe it was not really a secret and more of just a puzzle. But yeah, let's just see what lies ahead. Wait, that is the end of this part of the level. You know what? Bruh. No, that was not what I wanted to do, but what I am going to do is go back. Oh wait, I cannot. Okay, maybe it was something else then. Well, let's just go ahead and see then, if it is something else. Like it's just, yeah, I don't really know, man. let's just see. Maybe this is what it did. Okay, let's just see what is going on over here. Seems interesting enough. Oh, yeah, I should have just been a little bit more patient. Talking about not rushing things, let's just wait. Oh, alright, okay. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to try to get every coin because it's not needed. Oh, 2 pass. Let's see how it goes. Interesting. Seems cool so far. Let's just keep going. Oh hey, I'm guessing I know how we are going to have to go there because I remember there was a character that was good at swimming, so to speak. I honestly don't really know if there's anything else to say, but ouch. I did not even. When I realized that I could just go over, it was already too late. Maybe I'm going to revisit this level later and see what's behind the other path. Or maybe I'm just going to do that in this video, who knows. Oh, okay then. Oh, I get it. And then we go over here and we do that. Oh shit, I did not even know I could kill you. I'm seriously sorry. You alright? Oh fuck, now what? I'll just do this, I guess. Like it didn't. I guess I really should just wait. Right. Okay, let's just keep going, I guess. Or let's just try to do this again. Or at least we don't really have to get those coins anymore, and we also have knowledge of how that works. So yeah. Oh hey, it's already open. Okay, I guess the game is just took pity on me. Not that I mind. But yeah, maybe I should just go ahead and see. Actually, is there anything over here? Nope. These walls don't seem particularly large, I guess. So yeah, I doubt they could really hide anything over there. So yeah, what is over here though? Nothing, seriously? The perfect fucking opportunity and you waste it. Anything over here? Huh, doesn't seem like it. Right. Now then. I see those coins though. It's whatever. Oh, I think I see where to go to get those coins. Oh wait, I don't think I can do that. Yeah, I don't think breaking these blocks is a particularly good idea. So yeah, I guess I do know how to get over there, but like, I mean, it's just coins, so there's not really much reason to do that now that I think about it. So, yeah. Bruh. Well, the music is popping off at least, or at least I think it is, because yeah, like I said previously, it's like, yeah, it's weird how things will work. So, yeah, let's just continue. Actually, no, you know what? I'm curious now. What does the other path have? Probably just bells, but like, still, I'm going to see now. I'm just, I like to explore in games when I can, you know. So let's just go ahead and do that. Hey, so guess what happened again? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe my recording software just does not like it when I enter more than one level while recording. I don't know. Let's just see if it works now. You did not miss much. I barely got out of. I honestly just noticed almost right away. So yeah, I'm just getting more and more careful, I guess. So yeah, let's just continue, I guess. Hopefully it works this time. Yeah, but I think it would be cool if there was more than just like a little bit of a I really should see that. But yeah, I think it would be cool if there was like, if there was a bit more than just some secrets, because I have the feeling that the second. Okay, wait, this is where it was, right? So okay, wait, there was also this, right? So wait, there isn't. I thought there was. So yeah, let's just wait for these guys, slow ass guys. Yeah, I have the feeling that the second path up here does not actually open unless you press the switch. So yeah, let's just. Oh no, it does. Oh, let's see how it goes when we enter it. So okay, yeah, seems about right. So yeah, not much other than the bell. So I mean, if I die, then it will make it faster. But I mean, like, I'm not going to die on purpose. You know, that's kind of lame. In my opinion, at least. So yeah, let's just get that, and I guess also see if we can find the third bell somewhere. But yeah, that's that, I guess. Bruh. Oh wait, I can just go over here because that cow is really good at climbing. Right, I forgot. Almost. Well, like, yeah, Pesco is like the best. Like, so, yeah, that was the second buff, so now I'm wondering where the third is. Also, yeah, not really much in terms of lore, it seems, but I mean, like, it's just because it's the ruins of a temple does not mean there should be lore. Besides, there's a good chance that the said lore is just in the next level or something. I don't know. I was wondering if maybe the third build could be that one. Now that I think about it, it's probably just that area that we need the next character, maybe even the one after the next character before, so yeah. Oh yeah, right, time to actually do this correctly. So and there's not really much to talk about by now, so yeah. Wait a second. Actually no, I already tried it. So weird. Well, anyways, I'm not going to try to break these packs because, like, I have the feeling I know how it's going to go. So yeah. Besides, it's just going, so why should I care? So so we played one level once and then we played one level twice. So yeah, let's just end it here, I guess, because 2 failures with the recording software is enough, I think. So yeah, let's just um leave it at this. I almost forgot to tell you to like and subscribe. Yeah, I say I know how this works quite a lot, yet I still forget about it. I know, it's embarrassing. So yeah, like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, then that's fine. I'm just doing this for fun. So yeah. Also, I'm kinda doing this to try to get rid of my social anxiety. If I sort of think that's important to get rid of. So yeah, let's just keep going, I guess. Also, I know it's kind of late, relatively speaking, but I mean, like, I said it in a community post that, like, there was a chance I would be late or maybe even forget about the fact that I'm doing daily videos. So yeah, let's just. I think now is the time to stop talking. So to stop talking. So yeah, let's just continue with stopping the video.